Why should you watch this video? Well, in the next 3 minutes, this is gonna happen. You are going to learn about the 3 most common myths about learning Python. And if you were blocking yourself from learning Python because of any of these myths, I hope that by the end of this video, you will gain the confidence to overcome that barrier, start learning Python, and transform yourself with the most demanding programming skill in the market. Let's begin. Myth number 1. Python is difficult to learn. In reality, Python is one of the easiest languages to learn. Python syntaxes are way simpler than other common languages such as Java or C++. For example, see how short the Python code is compared to Java to print something. Myth number 2. Python is not used in industries, only in academia. Python is highly used in different types of industries for various tasks such as data analytics, backend services, web development, etc. For example, Google has been a long-time supporter and user of Python. Spotify uses Python for backend services and data analysis. Also, Netflix, Instagram, and many other large companies use Python heavily. Myth number 3. Python doesn't have much demand. This is a complete false. Just look at the figure. According to Coding Nomad, Python was the most demanded language in the last 2 years. Also, just in this year, Python's demand in top companies such as Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Google, etc. is way too high compared to other languages. So in summary, Python is a great language to learn and thereby transform yourself to a valuable candidate in the current job market. If you want to know more about learning Python or data analytics, please feel free to email me at learningemu@gmail.com. I can then invite you to my free monthly webinar. Also, if you want me to cover any particular topic related to data, comment that as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and follow me on TikTok or YouTube, where I post about data science to help understand the concepts and techniques for analyzing data so that you never feel stuck with data. Thanks for watching.